Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is Sheva from Bear Mix Journals over at Instagram. For today, I have my Coming Up Roses BT hashtag project, design team project for April. This time I am posting, I'm going to be showing you this signature, and it's still along the bugs and butterfly themes that I've been having lately. So it's a phase. I'm definitely into bugs and insects and butterflies lately, so I'm incorporating all of those in the projects that I have, and it's very timely because Cassie of Dust to Roses, I'll link her Etsy shop in the description below, has come up with two new kits, the Antiquity Kit and Antiquity 2 Bugs and Blossoms. So I use those for this particular signature, and also some of the collaboration that she has with Sharika of Postal Love. I think it's the engravings, antique engravings, and that's an engraving of different elements like bugs, butterflies, sea creatures. There's also flowers and mushrooms and all of those goodies. So I'll link those three kits in the description below so that you can check them out. I'll try to point them out in the journal or in the signature as much as I can. So what I have here, initially I was just going to be showing the different ephemera that I made using the kits, but I decided to create a journal using this kit and all of the other projects that I've done in the past. So I made a signature out of the pages and the different ephemera that I made using the three kits from Cassie. So I'll show it to you. This is, I already did a binding for this one, but it's not, permanent. It's something that I can remove so that when I finally put together the actual bugs and butterfly journals, I can switch the pages around. But this is how it looks. And for now, I just tied it with a string just to keep it closed, because there's lots of ephemera in here. That's why it's a little bit chunky, but not as chunky. I didn't make it too chunky because it's going into a journal at a later stage. But I'll show you the different pages that I have. So this is the front cover. This page is from the Antiquity Kit. You can see that in the back. And then I just stuck a moth here on top, and that's from the Engravings kit. And then this is the ephemera that I have. All of the ephemera, or most of the ephemera, are flip books, because that's initially what I was going to do as part of my design team project. But I incorporated all of the flip book in this signature instead. So these are the bugs from the engravings kit, and then I just added crystal drops, and then I mounted them in this tag. This tag is part of the Antiquity Kit, so this one in the background, and then I decorated it with washi, and then of course lace here. This paper is also, the flipbook paper is also from the Antiquity Kit. Then you open it like that, and then it's also decorated with washi, and then the engravings. You can actually take this out and then do your journaling in there. You can actually also change what you put in the cover if there's something different that you want to put in there. I used acetate because I saw my friend Aloha from Aloha's Creation use acetate in her journals, so I thought that's a really good idea to showcase what's inside. Mish of Salt Paper Co. I'll link her below. Also use acetate in one of our recent projects, and I was really excited to try that out, so I bought some acetate. But before doing that, I thought I'd use it here first. So that's the front page. When you open it, this is the second page. This is also acetate, and then I just have this tag This kit, this bug is also from the Engravings kit, and I just printed it bigger so that it will cover the whole page. Then this is washi, then a ticket. The back is just blank for some journaling. Another one. Really love the effect of crystal drops with the bugs. I think it adds a dimension and brings them to life. By the way, my fingers still have a little bit of ink in them because I had to fix my printer because it's not printing the color yellow. I had to change the print head, so it's still a little bit messed up. So this is another page from the Antiquity Kit. Just added the lace and then added these bugs, these, and a dragonfly, and then very subtle, but I also added some washi in there. Another page from the Antiquity Kit. This time around I also added these crystals that totally remind me of Victoria, of A Girl with a Butterfly. She uses a lot of crystals in her project, so I thought I'd use them here as well to make it more fun. So this is actually a belly band, so you can remove this. It's a journal card. Just added this little bit of applique and then a bee, and then I used an acetate to make this belly band. Little bit tight, but yeah, it fits there. This is a reverse of this image, so very similar, and then this one is just decorated with a lace and a bug, and then this is decorated with a bug and some gems. This page is from the Antiquity Kit. Also from the Antiquity Kit, this background paper. Then I added these two butterflies, sideway butterflies. So this time you can see that this one is a little bit bigger because I printed this bigger. This is the original size, and then I just maximized the image so that they appear bigger. A bit of washi. This is fun. I thought, you know, to have a fluttery butterfly over there. I used some acetate to flip it, sort of a flip for that butterfly. Just added a bit of lace. Antiquity. I also made some of these, I don't know if you call them specimen cards, but they're just definitely label paper, and then I added a bit of washi and then the bugs. Thought it adds a little bit of interest to the page. Another acetate pocket decorated with washi, and then inside this is the note card with this bug. I think this is my favorite note card, or flip up card out of all. I think it just looks really nice. Antiquity kits, and then just added these bugs. This is also fun. I just added these bugs to this trim, and then this is a butterfly belly band. Just tucks in here, a little bit of journaling space. This is another fun, this is the middle of the signature, another fun element. Just you can see the small butterfly in that wax seal. And then this is a decorated page, washi, and then the bugs with the washi here as well. This is actually a pocket, and then I think I tucked in a note card, just a simple note card. This is actually a page from the kit as well, Antiquity Kit. And then I just cut it down to make it smaller and fit in the pocket. More Antiquity Kit, more of that bug label. And then this isn't actually a full pocket, sort of a tuck spot, acetate tuck spot. And then tucked inside is this little note card, flip up note card. And then this is also fun. So this is also an acetate pocket here, there. So that's the acetate pocket. And then I just tucked these inside. This can be used in the journal, you know, tucked wherever, or used in journaling. Then a little bit of note card, more of that label, more bugs. This is a lace belly band, a little bit of journaling card tucked in there, butterfly decoration. This is a butterfly tuck spot, and I thought it just look nice that the two butterflies are side by side. This is actually a full page. It's my favorite page from the Antiquity 2 kit, Bugs and Blooms. So I thought I'd add it in here. Then, you know, it can be used in the journal. It can be torn, or, you know, used as a journaling space. Butterfly there. This is a up pocket up here, more of that flip up note card goes in there. Another belly band, applique with a dragonfly, bug label, and then lastly this little bee. So that is it. That's my bugs signature using Dust to Roses kits, the engravement kit, as well as the Antiquity Kit. I'll link all of the kits in the description below so that you can check them out if you want to. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next video.